I'm going to see if I can find and fix the most clogged dryer vent I can find before it turns into a fire hazard. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's often overlooked, but poses a huge risk to our homes and our families: clogged dryer vents. It's an issue that can have devastating consequences, and it's essential we take the necessary steps to prevent it. Lint buildup in dryer vents is a ticking time bomb, waiting to unleash a ferocious fire that can engulf your entire home in a matter of minutes. According to the National Fire Protection Association, there are over 15,000 home fires every year caused by dryer vent problems. That's roughly 40 fires a day, people. And the worst part is, these fires are almost always preventable. The reason lint buildup is so dangerous is that it blocks the flow of hot air from your dryer, causing it to overheat and potentially ignite. And once the fire starts, it can spread quickly through your vents and into your walls, giving you very little time to react. In fact, most dryer vent fires happen when people are asleep or away from home, making them even more deadly. The scary thing is, dryer vent fires are often silent killers. You might not even know there's a problem until it's too late. But there are signs you can look out for. If your clothes are taking longer to dry, or if you notice a burning smell when you're doing laundry, it could be a sign that your dryer vent is clogged. When I'm checking dryer vents, I always look for a few key signs of trouble. First, I check the vent itself for any visible damage or blockages. Then, I inspect the dryer for any signs of lint buildup or overheating. And finally, I use specialized equipment to inspect the vent from the inside out, making sure there are no hidden dangers lurking in the shadows. I want to share a story with you that really drives home the importance of dryer vent maintenance. Just last year, a family in California lost their home to a devastating fire caused by a clogged dryer vent. The fire started in the vent and spread quickly through the house, giving the family barely enough time to escape. It was a traumatic experience that could have been prevented with just a few simple steps. The moral of this story is clear: clogged dryer vents are a ticking time bomb, waiting to unleash a fire that could destroy your home and your life. But by taking simple steps to maintain and clean your vents, you can prevent this tragedy from happening to you. So, let's recap the dangers of clogged dryer vents and the importance of regular maintenance to prevent fires. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your home and your family. Take the time to check your dryer vents today, and make sure you're not tempting fate. Have you ever had a close call with a clogged dryer vent? Share your story in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more home safety tips and tricks.